So everybody's been wanting to see the Insta360 AcePro with that PureVid low light. So I'm gonna take you outside. So yeah, here we are out in the darkness. Like, the fact that you could even see me right now would be pretty amazing, especially on a small little action camera. Like, this is like honestly what everybody's been wanting in an action camera. But you guys have also been asking to see it compared to the Hero 12 and the Action 4 that has the same sensor size, and even we could throw in the Pocket 3 as well to see what that looks like with that 1-inch sensor in comparison. So I wanted to take you somewhere really cool, really cold, and really dark so we can compare all of that stuff together. So let's get started.
Mr. Black.
All right, this is a low light test video for the AcePro. It is currently 26 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna do this thing called the Sky Bridge. Are we dumb? Are we dumb for doing this? Probably. Yes. But we're gonna compare it to the GoPro Hero 12 and the Action 4, and even the Pocket 3, and hopefully not get frostbite in the process.
Over there.
All right, at the top here. Woo. It is very cold. Are you cold, Ashton?
It's warm out here.
It's warm.
This is amazing.
So here we have all of the cameras in the same settings. However, I do have a stabilization turned on for all of them. And well, I'll just let them play out so you can watch them and evaluate it for yourselves, and I'll come back later to assess it further. GoPro Hero 12, 25 frames per second. Hyper smooth on. Just a DJI 4K 60. It's gonna be hard to beat that. So really and truthfully, all of them do a really good job in low light. Like, even the Hero 12 does a decent job in really low light, but it does a way better job when you get some light on there. The Action 4 looks great. It's just a little bit darker. And the Pocket 3, it's really hard to compare to that because that's not really an action camera, and it does look amazing. But the fact that the AcePro is an action camera, it's small and compact, and it looks amazing in low light. It's just a really big feature check mark on an action camera when you're looking to buy. But here is a side-by-side comparison from the balcony looking out at the mountain. And then when we zoom it in on all of them, you can see there's a lot more detail in that AcePro. But one thing that's also important to note is that when you're in that pure video mode and it's low light, when you're previewing the screen, it looks really bad. Like, it doesn't look great on the preview screen, but as soon as you stop the recording, you see it just takes a second to process it. And then when you play back that footage, you'll see that it's like night and day difference. Like, it looks amazing after that processing. So overall, it's easy to say that the AcePro has the best low light video for all of the action cameras that I've ever tried out. It is phenomenal. It's really cool. I really like this thing a lot. It just, I mean, I'm out here in the dark. I could never do this with any other action camera with no key light whatsoever. So that is pretty impressive. And you know, you saw the footage, so you can judge for yourselves if you like it or not. I'll put links to everything down in the description so you can find out what the prices are down there. And also, if you're new here, don't be a stranger, click that button. And I did an outro on the chairlift, so let's cut back to that. So I'm gonna leave you here. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'm hanging out with my family this week in Michigan. So this is northern Michigan. Oh, and the blowing snow, perfectly fitting this ride down. So I'm gonna warm up. And thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this low light video. If you did, if you hit that button right there, it helps out so much. Appreciate it. And other than that, I'll see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Black.